No one said take your pants off. What is going on back there? Not a little turd. What are you talking about? We're just getting started, boys and girls. Oh, shut up. What is up, Wisconsin? Welcome back to another photo drive. If you can't tell, it is raining pretty good out today. I've got all 3 kids. I have no idea how this is gonna go down. We're gonna see if we can shoot anything today. I don't even know if you can hear me over the rain because it's raining so hard. I've got the A7RIV and the Sony 200 to 600 loaded up, as well as all 3 kiddos, ages 10 months to 5 years old. So we're gonna see what we can shoot. It's raining, but I'm not worried about that. I just don't know if we're gonna see any wildlife today. But if we do, I'll be sure to try and shoot them. All right, let's see what we get. Oh, I have a feeling I'm gonna get very wet today. Oh, here we go. We got cranes up here. Good eye. I'm gonna get wet. They walked right across the road. I missed that shot, but I think they'll pop a little bit better off the green. I need to make sure I got all my settings set before I jump out. Raw, Okay, here we go. Oh, it kind of stopped raining out here. Oh, let's get low. I'm gonna see if I can't get a little closer, maybe. Those are cranes. I'm gonna pull up here, see if I can get a little closer. I know, they keep walking further and further out, though. I'm gonna see if I can get them lined up. Oh, that'll be a nice shot with the barn in the background. Let's see what we can do here. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Oh, it started picking up again. We are gonna get wet today. They're dancing. We got a little courtship going on here. I would like to get them lined up, but I don't think that's gonna happen. All right, that's a nice first subject of the day. All right, guys, it is wet out there. I should have brought something to keep my lens clean here. You know, oh, you know what? I think I do have towels in here. Ha! I got towels. Because it is wet out. I gotta try and keep this a little dry. There's a goose back there. Should we turn around and shoot the goose?
Yeah,
it is making a video right now. I said, do you want me to turn around and shoot the goose?
No, it's a tractor.
Oh, the tractor's just right here.
Wait, you found a goose?
Yeah, I found a goose. The reason why I want to shoot it is because the rain coming down, the water looked really pretty.
Right there, I saw a bird.
What kind of bird?
No, it was black and like on its little tummy it had a little bit of red.
Oh, red-winged blackbird? All right, well, we're gonna go back up here and get that goose. So this goose was right up here somewhere. Also, there's a cow in this field.
Huh?
I said there's a cow in this field. I'm gonna pull over, I think, right here. Because I don't want to spook the goose.
Where's the goose?
He's right here. Do you see him? What I'm hoping is this looks pretty cool with the rain. I'm gonna push my luck and get a little bit closer without falling in here. All right, I'm happy with those ones. Okay, you also gotta help me. Is anyone behind me? I'm checking my mirrors, but you gotta be my eyes too, okay? Okay, thank you. All right, we're gonna turn around and see what we can find back there. I'm gonna shoot them again. I'm gonna try to get them from this angle, okay? Well, because Daddy likes to move around a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go right up here past this bridge, okay? And hopefully he don't spook away. All right, here we go. Oh, geez. You okay, camera? Okay, we're gonna go across the road here. We're gonna just get right down to this bridge. If I can get low. Let's see if I can get low. All right, Like that. I like that. That'll do. Different angles. I like that. What, buddy? No, he's still sitting there. You keep looking for big birds, okay?
Me too?
Yeah, everybody. It's a team effort today with all this rain. There's a goose in the road, but I already got my goose shot. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there's two of them there. All right, so we're near some low-lying area and some water, so we need to be looking out here, guys, to see if we see any wildlife. There's some cranes. I got to turn around. I told you there was going to be some.
What did you say?
There's some cranes back there. Now I got to find a spot to turn around at. Oh, we're going to turn around right there. Is anyone behind me, sweetie?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, there is?
No, there's no one.
Oh, okay. I thought you were saying yes, there is someone. Am I stuck?
No.
Okay, good. This is more thrilling today in the rain.
What?
I said this is a little thrilling today in the rain. I think they're right off here. I'm going to shoot back over here. Did you see them back here?
I only see one.
Yeah, there's two of them. There's usually two in a pair here. All right, here we go. All right, we're way off there, so I'm going to get low here, as low as I can get. I got to stop down. I can't tell if I'm getting them in focus. They are just, where's the other one? Just standing there. I don't think they like me here. Yeah, they're just kind of chilling there. I was hoping they would be a little more active. All right, let's get these geese while we're here. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Those guys weren't as active. They're kind of just chilling there. I wonder if they're trying to nest. I don't want to disrupt them.
I only saw one.
There were two.
Okay, if you like this video, then you can stop now.
No, we're just getting started, boys and girls. Because we just found a rustic road. Woo! One of my favorite, 4 miles of rustic roadage.
Horsey! Horsey!
You found a horsey?
Yeah, it's a black one.
Oh yeah, maybe I can shoot it from the road up here.
Yeah, take a picture of the horse.
Okay, settle, get your pants unbundled there, settle down.
Okay, then
No one said take your pants off. Where's he at? I don't know if I got a shot here, sweetie. Oh, maybe, right here. Let's see.
There's two.
There are two, I like them. I gotta shoot through some fence though, we'll see. I'll try to get it for you, only because you asked nicely. Thanks. See if I can't get a little low, shoot below this fence. Looking right at me. I can't get a shot of the other one though. All right, I'll leave that. All right, I got it for you, sweetie. It's not a video without some horse shots, am I right?
But, did you get both of them?
I couldn't get the other one. I do like the spots on that other one though.
What's the other one?
Very pretty. I don't know if you can see them back there, but
That was like the only one I could do. Daddy is making a video right now.
it is making a video right now. Is there anything you'd like to tell us?
Okay, one thing to tell you.
Uh-oh. Make it.
We have a baby.
Hey, make it quick. It's my video, all right?
Okay, we have a baby here that's named Missy. Because that was really
Hey, we don't need to give out names.
Hey, sorry.
Private information, Missy.
I also have a brother.
Hey.
I did play a
All right.
And Mom.
Let's close the mouths and open our eyes. What are we seeing here? If we miss something, I'm going to be calling on you guys. So up here, there's some low area again. We sometimes see birds and stuff down here. There's some, I see cranes again.
Where?
Right here. Right there again.
Oh, yeah.
Just wait, buddy.
Say bye. We have
Shh. Don't scare them. I'll be right back, buddy, okay? Once again, these guys are just kind of sitting here. Alright, I'll be good with those shots. Alright, I got them. Once again, there's a pair of them, but they're not very,
Lick it.
They're just kind of chilling there. They're not really moving.
Only two?
Only 2, yeah. So far, so good. Man, we've only been driving for like, what, 20 minutes? Yeah. Got lots of snaps already. Maybe we got to come out more often when it's raining, huh? Oh, shut up.
What?
There's some geese, or not geese, ducks down here. I got to sneak up on them, though. Holy, hang on. No, they're very pretty. They were in the water. We got to be quiet, though. I don't even know if I'm going to get a shot of them. I got to go back to the bridge here. Hopefully they go upriver a little bit. There they go. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them here. Shit, there they go. Well, I scared a few of them, but... All right, we're good with that. Photographer Olympics again. I know. You want a movie? We're going. Sweetie, when we get home, I'll be able to show them to you, okay? Oh, the rain's picking up again. Just when Daddy's getting all dry. I think I prefer shooting in the rain. So far, we've had a lot of good luck, haven't we? A lot of good luck. Is that baby sleeping yet? Eyes open, nook in, looking outside. Thank you for the baby report. Whee! Whoa. I what? I made you bump? No, I didn't. Hey, this is kind of cool. We're already recording and you don't talk to the camera. I talk to the camera. You can't tell the camera what to do, only I can. You know, I might want to get that I'm going to turn around and get that tractor in front of that barn that's painted. That's a pretty well, not just a pretty tractor, it's a pretty painting. So I'm going to try to turn around. I should have turned around right there. Oh, booger. Booger, booger, booger. All right, I'm going to turn around here. Are there any cars behind me, sweetie?
No, there is one, but it's way back there.
All right, well, we're going to wait. All right, so it was right back here somewhere. All right, I'm going to turn around in this guy's driveway. Actually, is this someone's driveway? I'm actually going to park here for a second. See if I can't shoot from here. That way I'm off the road for you guys. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. What's the baby status? Oh, okay. We're going to turn here, see where this takes us. I don't think I've been on this road.
What the heck?
Well, that's a risk I'm willing to take.
Bad word.
What's a bad word?
Boss.
Boss?
Yeah.
What is going on back there? Ooh, I see a bridge up here, which means we have water, which means what, people?
Duckling.
Duckling? Well, maybe. Birds, maybe. Animals in general, right? Especially on a day like today. You look in this side, I'll look in this side. Oh, I see something down there.
What?
I'm not sure what it was. I couldn't tell if that was another crane or what it was back there.
Oh,
Shh, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Oh. Damn it, he flew away. Did I get a shot of him? Might have gotten one. I don't know. It looked like a crane. I couldn't tell. He flew away on me. I think I got one shot, but he flew away, so I don't think I got a good shot of him. What, sweetie?
that's okay.
Yeah. We can't get every shot, right? That's a cool looking bird.
What?
There was a little bird back there, but I'm pretty sure I'd spook him.
A little turd where?
Not a little turd. What are you talking about?
I thought you said there's a little turd back there.
A little bird back there, you goofball.
Oh, bad hearing because of the rain.
Bad hearing because of the rain. All right, I'll give you that one. Why would I want to shoot a picture of a little turd? Yeah. Think about it, you goofball. Okay, we're 50 minutes into this drive, and I think finally all 3 kids have fallen asleep. So now the question is, do I stop for any more photos or do we wrap this thing up? And the answer is, we're gonna try to take more photos. I mean, let's be real here. The kids are sleeping. If they're tired, they'll sleep. If not, whatever. We got some photos to take. I'm not done. Still feel like I got a few shots left of me today, so we're gonna continue onward and see what we can see. Okay. I got these 2 white horses here. We're gonna pull over and see if we can't shoot them. Let's see if the kids wake up. Both of them in one shot. Okay. And that one kid woke up. I got more horses again. More horses. Man, the horses love this kind of weather, I think. I'm gonna pull over. But they're really, really close. But we'll walk back there and get a shot. I don't want to disrupt them. Shoot right over this fence. There's horses in the back too, so we can. And the rain too is pretty cool. Okay, good enough. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna have to call it quits for today. I think I got a lot of good shots to work with, get them back on the computer, edit them. But if you haven't done so already, and I know you haven't, because there's like 95% of you people that watch these videos that aren't subscribed, if you want to follow along on these photo drives or anything else that I do on this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment below, and I will catch you cool cats next time. But before I let you go, remember to keep shooting and keep creating. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.